Salute to 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you with another reaction. And today, guys, we're with the vendetta boss, Alkaline, man himself, with an official visualizer called Relapse. So, don't know, big up vendetta boss, big up yourself, G. You've been putting in the work from over the years, and we're there. So we're gonna jump in on here with the GSA. Let's go. What can I say? Yo, it's a long intro, you know? It's a long intro we get from the one end of the dog. 37 seconds since the song started, you know? Yeah! So, that means we get a 32 bar intro. Alright.
From we are there, we need cap. And I met I in a pre-stop. It's life gone hot street, the teapot. Rough load, fry the grade lap. Take time aside, cut it come a pre-bop. Steady a whole of rems, no one relapse. Some solace, me need that. Top that song, dog.
Alkaline, the man himself. Relapse, visualizer, reaction by JAMAICA'S gamer. You know the thing go. Let's go. Vendetta boss, what you say? Talk to them now. Big up the production team behind that one here. Big up the team behind that one here. Vendetta boss, big up your bumbo class self, dude. Let's go.
From we are there, we need cap. And I met I in a pre-stop. It's life gone hot street, the teapot. Rough load, fry the grade lap. Take time aside, cut it come a pre-bop. Steady a whole of rems, no one relapse. Some solace, me need that. Say me can't find time for detach.
Bumbo class, the boss I go hard for the one end of dog. Boss I go deep for the one end of dog. Boss I tell you, so you're from him little, him a met high as it.
From we are there, we need cap. And I met I in a pre-stop. It's life gone hot street, the teapot. Rough load, fry the grade lap. Take time aside, cut it come a pre-bop. Steady a whole of rems, no one relapse. Some solace, me need that. Say me can't find time for detach. Say me can't find time for. Hey, why you do it paper? I just the other day, look what the J at. Fire with them can't hold the J back.
Bumbo class, just the other day, look at the G at. Yo, I must say Alkaline is a very fucking talented artist in the dog. You see me? So, yo, Alkaline, I go use some metaphors and some similes and some things where I go, yo, Alka just different, bro. Like, the guy built different, bro.
The teapot, rough load, fry the grade lap. Take time aside, cut it come a pre-bop. Steady a whole of rems, no one relapse. Some solace, me need that. Say me can't find time for detach. Say me can't find time for. Hey, why you do it paper? I just the other day, look what the J at. Fire with them can't hold the J back. All we ever want, you know. No one tell us say that I did not take away and gone with you. Wonder who that day in a mirror. Better off and die sheet at the palm pillar up, say.
Bumbo class.
Relapse, some solace, me need that. Say me can't find time for detach. Say me can't find time for. Hey, why you do it paper? Just the other day, look what the J at.
Yeah, man.
Fire with them can't hold the J back. All we ever want, you know. No one tell us say that I did not take away and gone with you. Wonder who.
All we ever want, you know, tell you say that I did not take away and gone with you.
All we ever want, you know. No one tell us say that I did not take away and gone with you. Wonder who that day in a mirror. Better off and die sheet at the palm pillar up, say on the real. Scarier than a damn thriller. Sometimes the strong even survive like is a damn killer.
Scarier than who? You say scarier than killer?
Wonder who that day in a mirror. Better off and die sheet at the palm pillar up, say on the real. Scarier than a damn thriller. Sometimes.
Oh, scarier than a damn thriller. Okay, you know what? Thriller. Michael Jackson, thriller. That thing there. Scarier than a damn thriller.
Better off and die sheet at the palm pillar up, say on the real. Scarier than a damn thriller. Sometimes the strong even survive like is a damn killer. After the struggle for so long, deserve to go and chiller. Family take care of money and make riches a plant in ya.
Big moves. Yo, the growth in this youth for over the years, bro. Like, the growth, bro. Proud Alkaline, the fuck.
Get blast out of the steel. All time I go for the kill. Now I level not the field. Time pass and thing reveal. Food on switch, go and find out who are real. One thing I fish.
But class, to done switch, go and find out who are real.
Get blast out of the steel. All time I go for the kill. Now I level not the field. Time pass and thing reveal. Food on switch, go and find out who are real. One thing I for sure that we never kneel. Now wait.
One thing that I for sure, we never kneel, we never bow down. We never kneel, brother, we never sell out.
I go for the kill, now I level not the field. Time pass and thing reveal. Food on switch, go and find out who are real. One thing I for sure that we never kneel. Now wait for no protection, yeah, me got me shield. Me there, I made the rims and a bill. Get him, mula. Get him.
Nah, do it for no protection, yo, we got the shield. But I tell us, say, yo, him not have to do what some boy do. You see me? Him done have him shield already, so him not bow out, him not kneel, you see it?
I know to one real, one thing I for sure that we never kneel. Now wait for no protection, yeah, me got me shield. Me there, I made the rims and a bill. Get him, mula. Get him, mula.
Boss him kill up himself, bro. Like, boss just a easy for the one, ya, dog. Boss just a easy for the one, ya, bro. Buckler, Vendetta Boss, Relapse, Visualizer, guys, official Visualizer, big up Alkaline. Alka, we need a video, bro. Why we not get a video, dog? Like, I just love to see in a one video, bro. I just say what you say, dog, and just a whole chill vibes, bro, and just a reminisce on life, and you know, yeah, like, yeah. Am I asking for too much? I don't think I'm asking for too much. We need a video, bro. And I'm sure he's gonna probably do a video for this anyway, cause he's been dropping Visualize and then him go back and drop the music video. So I think that's like a new thing where Alkaline try out to see how it go for him. You see me? Yeah. But yo, Alkaline is different, bro. Like I said earlier on, bro. Him different. Alkaline is different, bro. Just a relaxing vibe. This have a relaxing vibe. We can just relax and just chill and just, you know? Yeah, like bad song. Nah, me not take nothing from the song. Bad Bumbuckler song. Genius. He's a genius. This guy's a genius, bro. He knows what says and he knows what he needs to do. You see me? So, baddest. Youngest and the baddest. Well, not the youngest anymore. But yeah, this time I'm going to leave that one still. When they have fans, make sure so drop a comment and let me know what you think about the song itself. You see me? Let me know what you think about the beat. Big up the production team behind the one, yeah? You see me? Vendetta Boss, big up yourself, bro. This is how we're going to leave that one still. If you like the video and want to be a part of the family over here, so you can drop a subscribe on the channel. You see me? It's free, not costing nothing. You see me? Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Me just realize this song not have no intro and it not have no chorus. The song not have no intro and it not have no chorus, bro. Me just realize that, you know. It not have no intro and it not have no chorus. So Alkaline is a genius, bro. And to the way how we make this song, it make it look like say it have all that tonight. But if you not pick it up, you're not gonna pick it up until it's too late. Like I just pick it up too late. No chorus in the song. No chorus in the song, and no intro in the song, and no outro in the song. Yo, Alkaline is different, bro. The man just get 2 verses on a beat and say, yo, all this. We have that. You see me? But yeah. Because myself, Vendetta Boss, Bumbuckler, genius, yo. Genius. Me, I feel that one still. You see me? Vendetta, up top. Yo, this time I'm going to leave one still. If you enjoy the one and want some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I will see you, my friends. I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐂𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.